I'm the first to join also.
Good evening, sir.
Please, I'm just gonna go mining.
Hey, actually, like, you're actually talking
I
with
thought
Mithran, huh?
lying da.
Even need,
Hey,
Hey.
this guy is so bad boy da.
Hey, this
Hey,
is
call
this
his
is
mother
like
da.
actually
Call
like
his mother 1
unfair.
second.
Actually, though.
Okay. Dude, I was
I'll
talking
call
to
his
him
mother 1
only in the
second.
break. Actually, I wasn't. I was
No,
actually
no, no,
talking.
no, no, I'm lying. I know what you're doing.
Hey.
I'll call your mother 1 second.
Hey, don't. Please, actually, don't. My career gone.
We'll see. Nice.
We'll see
Actually,
about
that's
it.
like so
Actually, call
sad.
his mom. Da.
I will.
Hey, please start.
1 second.
No.
Nice.
No.
Please,
Yada.
did you actually call?
Wait, she's not picking up.
Hey, actually, please, I beg you.
Call again and again and again.
Yeah, I beg
Okay,
you.
da.
I beg you.
1 second.
Beg you.
The 42,000 you're scamming, da.
See, this is the reason you got second ranked.
I won't do that.
No.
Wait, I
No.
called Mithran's mother and checked.
Hey, I just messaged him that he agreed.
Actually,
Actually, okay,
the
stop.
whole class.
Okay, no, I don't know about that.
Yeah,
Ask
actually, I
him.
itself read to
Ask
my
him.
mom.
Ask him. Ask him. I need
Please,
evidence.
sorry,
He
I
didn't
won't.
He
I
didn't
don't do that
reply,
again.
okay.
I was just joking with you, Daslank. If you really think you're gonna say. Okay, this is gonna be recorded. Okay. So you indirectly got caught. Not my fault. It's Kongwell's fault.
Why is it my fault?
I don't know. Tomorrow you'll come, right, the Kongwell?
Class, sir? Yeah,
No.
I will.
3 o'clock.
There's no class at 3 o'clock.
You know, like 3 o'clock today you
What?
came out like that.
Where did I come? As my home only.
Okay, I think you will come, okay?
I don't think I'm in my native. How can I come so far?
I think Sankalp is having a meltdown. He's not speaking.
I know. No, he's not speaking probably because he's in a meeting with Mithran.
Sir still didn't join.
So you can continue speaking with Vitram.
Me?
Yeah. He's eating that.
Why?
Nitish, did you call?
Yeah, I was just joking.
Why did you joke?
You go call him. You also have.
Sorry, I won't.
My mom's out. I only have my grandmother's phone.
I'll tell you her number.
Hey,
Yeah,
actually,
wait.
sorry,
Hey, you
don't.
really think we're gonna say Adam's uncle?
Wait, I'll bring the phone.
Hey, this guy's actually playing that. Don't believe that.
The meeting recording.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh shit.
Oh, you said
Ah,
the
now,
bad
now
one.
tell. Now tell.
984
984
69
69.
42. Okay, wait.
Like actually tell.
I'm not telling you, Dapra.
Wait, wait, Sankalp called me once yesterday and today. Wait, I have the number.
From now on, it's not my fault, Ras uncle. If he calls you, it's not my fault. We can hear you, but it's you. Your voice is too deep.
Hello? Hello, auntie.
Stella.
Yes, auntie. I just wanted to let you know that
Help me.
Sankalp is like sharing the class with Mithran.
So you have to double pay.
Yeah.
What is that?
Screen sharing and
Okay, auntie. Okay. Oh, no need, auntie.
Hi, auntie. Tell that
I
also said
I
bye.
don't think he'll do it again. I hope the same. Yeah, okay, auntie. Bye.
This uncle.
I think he went to
Sankalp.
I think he went to his mother's room to check if you actually
don't-
called her.
You don't
What,
deserve us.
Hmm?
Like, you didn't really call, right?
Yeah, he
I
actually
just
called
did.
her.
She told she'll speak to
Did-
Sankalp after the class.
You don't deserve us.
Okay.
Huh?
Meeting is getting recorded, okay?
Really?
Oh, really?
Why didn't Sir join yet?
For us
Hey,
to
Sir's
get
late by
called.
11 minutes, da.
7 minutes, da.
11.
Wait, what's the time?
56.
11 minutes. Hey, you know we are legally allowed to leave after 15 minutes.
Actually.
That's what they said in YouTube.
Oh,
Really?
like the class doesn't start within 15 minutes, we can leave.
That's what they said in the YouTube. Now, what can I do?
I mean, like,
I don't know. I don't want to try. Santu will try.
yeah.
Okay, stop talking.
Three
Stop
more
talking.
minutes.
Stop.
Three
Stop
more
talking.
minutes, then we can leave.
Yeah. No, I think we it's only 8 minutes has gone by. Da. Okay, stop talking. Okay, everyone mute.
Yeah. Hey, Tarun, where did you send a slash, da?
What? What did you say?
Why did you send a slash?
Me?
Yeah.
I wanted to. What?
In the
I
chat.
don't. I did it by mistake.
How dare you? That is punishable by death.
In 1 more minute, we are legally allowed to leave.
Don't take my word.
What?
Just check the law of
In one
India.
in one more minute, we are legally allowed to.
Leave. I mean, that's what Nitish said.
Let's check up in Google.
I said
Google.
YouTube.
I know, right? Learning room app tutorial.mp4.
Is it legally allowed?
In that video,
for
in that video, Nitish.
leave
I don't know.
It's in
I
the
don't
app.
know that video.
It's in the app
6
tutorial
minutes.
video, right?
if the teacher does not.
Hey, check in India's law.
Dude, it's 15 minutes, duh.
That's what we see.
It's 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah,
is it
it's
given
not
like that?
11. It's like
Where is it given
something
like
like-
that?
no,
Rules and
it's-
regulations for students, sir.
No, are you legally allowed to leave class if teacher is 15 minutes late?
Hey, I thought it was learning room rules, da.
Hey,
No, I'm
check.
talking
Hey,
about
it's
India's
everything.
rules.
Da. Even in school, da.
It's probably like in US or something, da.
That's what I
So
also
you
said.
can
Check
you can
India's law.
legally you can actually leave the class if the teacher doesn't come for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess. Okay,
Check in
then. Bye.
India, da, Sankal.
Hey, 15 minutes, duh, not 12 minutes.
It's already 15 minutes.
No, duh.
It is.
But the class started at 12, a bit late.
12.
So, I know, like
12.
class started a bit late, so like
Well, it is also their fault.
let's leave at 15.
We started.
Hey,
Hey,
you're not
we're
allowed to
joking,
leave.
da.
I said summa, da.
Okay,
You
I
can
can
leave
should
at
I, like-
you guys
so-
are being
Hey,
real.
should I ask my mom to call learning room?
No need, da.
Rare.
I am the
You
Yes,
said your mom
yeah.
was out, right?
I know. I have to
Hey,
call
yeah, da.
my mom with my grandmom's phone, and then I have to tell her to ask.
Sus, he's being sus.
Hey, look at my new background, guys.
Oh, you know his
Look
mom.
at my cat.
Dude, that looks better than your face actually.
It's this cat. Da.
remember Amarnath,
You know
sir?
its name? It's Tarun.
Remember when
You know that
Amarnath,
thing
sir?
behind me? You know that thing
Hey,
behind me?
remember when Srihari like came to dance class, and then someone from the art class showed their drawing, and Srihari was like, "It looks bad," and Amarnath sir went like, "It looks better than your face."
I don't remember.
Hey, it's
Yeah.
Hey, what
seventh
is your
grade.
topic?
For what?
Hey, you know a better background?
Geography project
Well,
topic.
Rigid zone.
For you,
Yeah.
for me, it's south temperate zone. I written in my rough note. Now only I found it.
I didn't even write it anywhere. I remember. I'm doing the English project right now. Oliver Twist.
This English
Yo,
project.
hey, I'm gonna show you a photo where I met SP737 there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, like.
Oh shit.
Extra joint.
No.
Hey,
Good morning, sir.
good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
I was the only one who said it correct.
No, even I said good evening. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening,
So it was
We
actually
can allowed to
legally
leave
allowed.
in 20 seconds, sir.
Yes, sir. If you wouldn't have joined in 20 more seconds, you would have got the
Sankal
legal
Pallavan would have
permission
left,
to leave
sir.
class, sir. So it's because when I checked in Google, it's legally allowed to leave a class in 15 minutes if the teacher doesn't join.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
listen to everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Really
So
sorry for the delay.
actually, no, sir. Actually, in 20 more seconds, we were legally allowed to leave the class if the teacher doesn't join. in
Actually, it's
15 minutes,
already
sir.
time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You joined 20 seconds before, sir.
Okay.
Anyways, we wouldn't have left. Okay, it's just
Sir,
Actually, the thing was
yesterday's
that
assignment
time which was
so
shown to me
easy, sir.
was this.
7 o'clock.
But they never showed anything about if the teacher logs back on, we Can log back on.
No. So this is physics. So yesterday's the assignment was so easy, sir.
Yes, sir, it was so easy.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you all?
Yes, sir.
Fine,
I'm
sir.
fine.
Very good.
Sir, we
What
have
you
an
did in the
extra
last class?
maths and
29.
sir, it's maths. Sir, it's maths first.
It's a
Hmm?
maths class. It's a maths
Yes, sir,
class,
it's
sir.
Today we have physics now.
No, sir, we have
Sir,
maths.
maths, sir.
Sir, look at the meeting title. It's 9's maths.
But I have to take physics now. This is a physics class.
It's a maths class,
Sir,
sir.
it's maths class, sir.
Wait, last
Yeah,
week
but
we
wait.
had physics class.
It
right?
is. It is physics. It is physics.
Yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
it's physics.
It's physics. It's physics.
Yes, sir. You can continue with
Sir,
the
but it
physics. sir. I'll
showed
take my physics.
maths.
What you are
Hey,
doing?
you shut up now. You were
I am
about to
telling you
leave.
the
sir.
subject.
Sir, it is physics. You can take physics.
Yes,
I
sir.
know that.
I took my physics book. Sir, the
Okay,
physics
so what
assignment
we
is
were
also
doing-
really easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Physics assignment.
That's also really easy, sir.
Easy.
I actually don't
Easy.
have a physics notebook because I finished everything.
Shall I provide you
All
with
the
the hard
things are
one?
over.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. This is fine, sir.
No, sir. That's good.
Sir, but this
Okay.
way too easy.
Sir,
I'll provide a
actually,
different
provide us few sums, like not as an assignment, but just as homework.
Hey,
a
he gives it
homework
every day,
for-
da.
No, a homework for like a big homework, not a small one, big one.
He has to give something that you can comprehend, da.
I
So you
mean
can-
like a screw gauge, a vernier scale, all those type of numericals.
He gave that in assignment, no?
Just
I'm
1
not
minute.
talking about assignments. I'm talking
Let
about
me
if
open
he
the
can give me
notes.
the give.
Okay, sir. Start the class. You're already late.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I saw today
Oh, did
was
you see
maths
that question
class.
paper that I
Sir.
gave to you?
Sir, before starting class, please mute Sankalp.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Mute.
Thanks, sir. You can continue. Nothing.
Before starting the
Sir,
class, please. What
sir,
did you say?
actually, I
Sir,
don't
before
have a
starting the
physics
class, we
notebook
can
because
continue the class, sir.
actually I don't have a physics notebook because I finished all my pages, and I thought today was maths class, and I didn't. I thought of bringing the physics, buying a new
Hey, I
physics
still
notebook
have like
tomorrow.
100 pages left now. How did you finish your book already?
I just write a lot, unlike you.
No,
Oh.
your book is like 10 pages long.
Stop
Probably
it. It's
wrote
a
it in
122
A4
pages
sheet.
one.
See here,
You
see
will
here, see
continue,
here.
sir.
We have done till the graphic graphs, right?
Yes, sir.
Graphs, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
the,
Yes,
what
we
is
did.
this thing?
Yes, sir. We did till graphs.
The
Displacement time graph
slope
we have
and
done.
everything, sir. Yes, sir.
Displacement
We
time
Yes,
also
graph we
sir.
have
did
done.
that
Now we have to do
tan
velocity
Q
time graph.
something, sir.
Yeah, now we
Don't
have to do
remember
velocity
that.
time graph.
What the?
Yes,
What,
sir. We have to
Velocity
do
time graph.
velocity time graph.
Yeah.
Why is no one
Velocity
on the
time
videos? Sir, ask everyone to on their videos, sir.
Yes.
Velocity time graph is like a graph where you put the velocity on one of the axis and time on the other axis, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is velocity time graph. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, if you go for the slope of velocity time graph, slope. The slope is what? Tan of this
So
angle
slope
theta.
is equal to V. Okay.
No, that's different.
Perpendicular
that's
by
not this.
hypotenuse.
Displacement time.
If
Yes,
I just
sir.
take some instant here, what will be the perpendicular? This will be same as theta, corresponding angles. So this will be
Yes,
the
sir.
perpendicular one. Perpendicular will be what? Let us see here. This is V2. This is V1.
Yes, sir.
This is P1. This is T2. So perpendicular will be
Yes,
what?
sir.
Can I write it as V2 minus V1?
Yes, sir.
And this is, sorry, perpendicular from base it is.
What, sir?
It is perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base.
Yes, sir. So what did you say? Tan
this is
theta?
how you can-
What is it?
This is how you can
P
learn
by
it or
V.
remember it. Some people
The slope is
Have-
equal to v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1, right?
No, that's for displacement time.
Yeah.
Okay.
slope is same. Because slope is what? Tan theta, na?
Tan. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Like the
Yes, I
Third
get it. Sir. I get it
permanent.
very clearly.
Black. See, this is a kind of mnemonic that you can take to remember this thing. See, sum is for sine. Sine of theta is p upon h. That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. Curly is cos. Cos theta is b upon h. And turned is for tan. Is p upon b. Okay. So this is a mnemonic that you can remember that some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. Got it?
So the line parallel to the
so what is
time
H?
line.
What is
Hypotenuse.
H. Oh.
hypotenuse is
And
slant
what is
angle.
P?
Slant line. P is
So what is P?
perpendicular. See, I'll tell you
Sir,
in a triangle, in a
and
right
B is
angle
base,
triangle,
right?
Sir,
in the right angle triangle,
sir,
whatever angle
I-
is there. Yeah, I'm
Yes,
telling
sir.
you, see
I
here.
remember-
Everyone see here. Everyone see here.
Yes, sir.
In a right angle triangle, if it consider
sir,
this
I
angle
remember it
theta,
as SOHCAHTOA, sir. I remember it as SOHCAHTOA. Sine equals opposite
we
by
can use
hypotenuse.
any mnemonics. I'm just giving one of them. So if you're considering this as
SOHCAHTOA.
theta and this will be 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So whatever length is there between 90 degree and angle theta, that is the base. The slant is hypotenuse and the other one is perpendicular. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
slope is what? V upon t. That is
Uh,
v minus
V
v2. Yeah, slope is v2.
V upon
Change in
T2.
velocity.
V2 upon T2.
Change in velocity.
Change
Can I
in
write it like
velocity.
change in velocity upon time taken.
Yes, so sir, that's
And
acceleration,
isn't
sir.
it
It's
acceleration?
acceleration, right?
Yeah, isn't it
Yeah.
acceleration?
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
slope of velocity time graph will give you what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. And slope of displacement time graph will give you what?
It will give you
I mean velocity. Velocity.
Velocity. Velocity.
Yeah.
Change in displacement upon time. That is velocity. Okay. So write this down.
Yes, sir.
I'll have to tell you one more thing.
so
I don't
velocity time
understand the
graph
thing
will
you
give
wrote,
you
sir.
so velocity
No,
time graph
but-
will give you acceleration and displacement time graph will give you velocity.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but
Slope.
I didn't understand this. Some people
Then
have
no.
curly brown hair. fundamental-
That is for
No,
trigonometry.
that's just
Trigonometry ratio. When
example.
you study trigonometry, I'll remember this.
No, I don't get it. Like, what is sino is equal to
He's
P by
saying
this?
something
Sine. Oh,
that's
sine
wrong.
theta da. See,
Okay, sorry,
theta is an
sorry.
angle.
I thought that was
See,
a number.
theta. Yeah, okay. Theta is an angle, and sine is a
Okay.
function. So, what a function does is it does something to any given
I
number.
don't get you, bro. I don't get you. I don't get you.
Hey, like
you
it
continue
performs.
saying
It
this.
performs. It performs an operation on a like a given parameter. Like theta is the parameter here because it's sine theta. So sine is a function. It does something to theta, and what it does is p by h.
What is theta?
Theta is an angle. Theta is that angle there.
Okay.
Theta is an angle, da. See,
Yeah.
this is
I know.
basically a
Okay,
right
I
angle.
get it. I get it. But
See, there's
theta
a
is
right
right
angle
angle.
triangle, okay? No, there's a right
Okay.
angle triangle means like
Hmm?
the angle opposite to the right angle is theta.
What?
What is p? Hey, the angle opposite to 90 degrees da, in the right angle triangle.
Like
That is
That's
hypotenuse.
theta, right,
opposite
sir?
of 90 degrees means I
Sir,
don't
like
get it.
no, sir, the angle, sir. You can see theta in the bottom right, sir. Bottom right, da. H P P, it's there. Bottom right.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can see, but
So
what do you
theta.
mean
What's
by
the doubt here?
opposite of 90 degrees?
Sir,
It is
sir
in the
will answer
opposite
the
of my
router. You shut up for 1 second.
See, this I have written for trigonometry. When you study trigonometry, then you'll get the importance of this. See, when I'm asking you what is tan theta, you forgot this. So that's why I have told this thing to make you remember that tan theta is nothing but the ratio of perpendicular by base in a right angle triangle. So you don't have to emphasize more on that. You just remember tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base. When you'll be studying trigonometry probably in the next year, so there you'll be using this particular ratios. Okay, so you just forget everything. You just remember tan theta is equals to p by b and write everything else that is present on the screen.
You don't
Alright.
need to know how it came and all that thing.
Yeah,
When
not
you
now,
learn
not now.
trigonometry, you will learn.
Yeah, that's it.
You learn
Yes, sir,
trigonometry
done,
in
sir.
maths this year.
Yeah, yes, sir. They said we'll learn it this
That's
year.
only basic trigonometry. Like we'll not be doing anything with it.
Yeah, it's like how algebra was in 6th standard.
6th grade. Yeah.
Got it, everyone?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
One more thing I need to tell you. See here. If any graph is there like this, straight line, velocity time graph is a straight line. What does it shows? What
No
can you say
change in
about the
velocity.
motion of that particular spot?
Sir,
Sir.
the object is not in
No
motion.
change in
Can you tell me?
acceleration.
Everyone, please
Shankar.
be quiet.
Yes,
Shankar,
no change in acceleration.
no change in acceleration. Very good. And what about the motion
No
of the
change in
displacement of the
velocity.
body? Displacement of the body?
Sir, velocity does not change in.
How will be
given
its
time.
displacement time graph, Nitish?
0. So it's a straight line.
Yeah.
No. Tongwei?
So
How
it'll
will
be a
it be
constant slant. It'll be a constant slant.
Very good.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be a straight line passing through a
Sir,
region
how,
with a constant slant.
Sir,
Yeah,
what did
take
you
the
ask, sir? I didn't even hear what you asked. Sir.
See,
See,
if velocity is
velocity
constant,
Nice
that means
excuse.
velocity is not changing. Please let me tell. Velocity is not changing with time. Whatever time we are changing, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, whatever
Okay,
time
okay,
we are
okay. I
changing,
get.
velocity-
Okay, I get it.
So, let us say that this is 5 meter per second. So that is 5 meters per second constant. In every second, you are covering 5 meter. First second, 5 meter. Second,
Yes, sir.
second, 5. That is totally 10 meter. So it is 1 for 5, 2 for 10, 3 for 15. So it is a constant slant.
So if you go
Like this.
5
Yes, sir.
meter per second every forever, it will be a straight line. Sir. Right, sir?
Got it? So this velocity time graph of this kind will give you a displacement time graph of this line. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but if the velocity does not change, like it's 5 meter per second for the given time,
JVs.
it will be a straight line,
JVs.
sir.
Yes.
True.
Every,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
who finds himself the most smartest boy?
What, sir?
Sir, what?
Oh, Tarun has joined today. I did not notice. Tarun, you're not speaking anything. Switch on your video if it is possible.
That's very ironic.
Sir, it's telling it's not allowing. Like your video is disabled.
Okay. So you're understanding everything here?
Sir, Kongwei
Yes,
can turn
sir.
on his video, right?
Yes, sir. I can, but I have to disconnect my keyboard. I'll do it.
I don't care. You're not typing anything.
You understood
Why do
everything?
you have
Whatever
to
has been taught
disconnect
today?
your keyboard for video?
He has only 2
Law.
points. Okay.
Big logic, I'll
Please be
explain
quiet,
later.
everyone. Please be
Hey,
quiet, everyone.
how Durai sir
Tarun, did you
will
understand everything
say,
today?
Hey, okay, let's shut up now.
constant?
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Okay. Did you watch the previous videos?
Yes,
Tarun?
sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
wait.
Why
asking
you
me?
watch that?
Sorry, sir. I want to learn more.
Yes.
I want to.
Ooh.
Taro,
Okay,
I
so
want
who
to
is
be
the
Taro
smartest
with
boy in
Sir,
the
the
class?
yes,
Who is the
sir.
smartest one in the class?
Me, sir.
Sir.
So smart.
Smartest boy in the class?
Yes.
We'll
Sir,
have to
I
answer
watched
this
every
question.
physics video twice.
Yes, sir. Ask
We have to answer this question. Okay,
Who,
see here.
sir?
That's good, Sankal. Now,
So,
if
And
this
I
is
still
my,
didn't get to
if this
do
is
it.
my here, if this is my displacement time graph, so how will be my velocity time graph?
Sir,
so
a
it will be
constant
slanting, sir.
Wait, this time, wait.
Oh,
Yes,
sir.
sorry.
Speak quite everyone. I'll ask everyone personally because no plagiarism should be there. So first, Congo will answer because he is lying towards my left.
Sir.
I'm not preferring.
Everyone
What?
say Kongu's answer.
He's lying too much. My left arm. For me, is below me, sir.
slanting line, sir. It's a slanting.
Yeah. Congo answer.
Yes, sir. It's a slanting line.
Planting line like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Nitish.
that's me. Yeah, just stand
Same.
here. Ditto, like
Shankar?
So 1 second, sir.
Shankar?
Ask Tarun first, then I'll answer because I'm.
No,
speaking a
Okay,
bit.
Tarun answer. Tarun answer.
So let.
Tarun, what's your answer?
Sir, the same, sir.
Same. Can you give the reason for this? Can you give any reason for this?
He left.
So I'll say
laugh.
velocity
Sir,
time
no,
draft
Shankar.
is a straight line. So I'll say velocity time draft is a straight line.
You just want to
Straight line
make
like
fun
this?
of yourself, right?
Like this?
Straight line.
Shankar?
No, sir, straight like
No, sir, it says straight line.
like
This one?
like this.
Yes,
Same,
sir.
same,
Yes, sir.
same as question. Same as question.
Okay. So all are wrong.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go ahead and make fun of
See,
myself.
what is
Sir,
there?
it's from
Your
top to
displace-
bottom, sir.
No, see here.
How is
not.
that
Displacement is
possible?
Please listen here. Please listen here. Please do not talk. Otherwise, you'll not learn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, it's when you're changing the time, the displacement is not being changed. That means the body is at rest. So velocity is 0, no lines.
Oh.
There's no lines.
You draw a graph for no
Who
velocity,
would have
0
thought?
velocity.
So,
Understood?
so
everyone or
like
not?
that. So like there should be no line.
Oh yeah, velocity
Yeah,
is
you
zero,
don't draw any
right?
line.
Empty graph.
Yeah, velocity time graph is 0.
No,
The line will be
that,
line
but
will
the
be like
line
this.
is at zero.
Line will be like this on the x-axis.
Yes, sir. That's what I
Oh.
said. So that's the I said.
Understood?
So that's what even I said,
Yes.
straight line.
Hey, no.
No.
You shouldn't.
Straight
No,
line.
you have to specify. Specify.
I said it, sir.
It's all because of you, Kongwell. You said same as
Tarun join.
So now ask him
The graph will be a straight line passing through the x-axis because the velocity will be 0 as displacement is not changing with respect to time. Did you understand this, Tarun?
Yes, sir. Hey, you, sir. He will learn. Sir, continue, sir.
Huh?
Sankar, that's why we told you to mute him, sir.
Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you are audible. Tarun, you are audible clearly. Am I audible to
Yeah.
everyone?
The Ota is not audible.
Huh?
You
Can
can
you
ask
hear me,
her.
Dad?
Tarun, can you hear me? Okay, see here.
Tarun left.
In this velocity time graph, please
Yes,
listen
sir.
here when I teach because then you'll say
Yes, sir.
that you don't get it. In the velocity time graph, if I want to find this area between this t1 time and t2 time, velocity v is there, but time is changing. So I want to find this area. What will be the area of this particular shaded portion? Pongwe?
Sir, T1.
Sir, the area. Sir, like
Yeah, area of the
T1.
shaded portion.
Sir, T1 times V, sir.
Tarun, leave and joined.
They like
Can't hear you.
minus
What do you mean,
T1, T2 minus T1 times V.
Sir,
This
Yes,
length
sir.
and
That's what I
this height.
said. That's what I said, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
everyone?
so what are we finding?
Yes.
Area of the shaded portion.
So area of the
Now
shaded
see.
portion is T2 minus T1.
Area is equals to V into T2 minus T1. Isn't it?
Oh,
Is giving me velocity times time. Will not that give me displacement? Will not that
Yes,
give
sir.
me displacement, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
will.
Because velocity is displacement by time. So velocity into time will give you displacement, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Okay.
This
Got
all
this?
makes sense.
Yes, sir.
So that area is basically displacement.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what I was saying. That area of velocity time graph gives you displacement.
Yes, sir. Easy to remember, hard to understand.
Exactly like you.
You draw this one, and then go for the next one.
Exactly like you. Sankalp, easy to remember, hard to understand. So which one should we draw? The area one?
Yeah, this one.
So what are we going to do finding that area?
Area will
Find the
displacement.
Somebody, if in the question you are given with this graph, and then the like T2, T1, and V is given to you, and if they are asking you to find the displacement of the particle in between the time period of 5 hours to 10 hours, so you just have to do like that.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you such questions. We'll solve that. We'll solve some questions today.
Sir.
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tarun, done?
Sir, I don't think he can hear you, sir.
Arun, can you hear us?
I think we should all leave and join.
Now let us move on to the acceleration time graph.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acceleration time graph.
The acceleration time graph. We never did this in school, right?
No, we didn't do
We
acceleration.
didn't.
We did only displacement time draft.
Ah, okay.
See here.
Yes, sir, you can continue.
Acceleration time graph. What is acceleration time graph? So the graph drawn between acceleration as one of the axis and time as another axis. Acceleration time. And generally we'll be considering this a straight line, because throughout the process and throughout the formulas that we have learned or that we will be considering, so that is considered by like assuming that acceleration is constant. We are not changing acceleration linearly, increasing or decreasing simultaneously. Okay, so we will
Yes,
not
sir.
be
Sir,
like
can I take
increasing or
screenshot?
decreasing. Yeah,
Can I take
Tarun asked if he can take screenshot.
yeah, you can take the
When did
screenshot.
you become Tarun?
Even I think
No, can I
these,
also take
notes are
screenshot?
available to you.
Why, right?
These notes are,
I don't
Isn't it?
have. I don't have notes.
these notes are available to you, na, after the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll write in my new book, sir. I have to go get one.
Okay, so acceleration time graph. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so generally,
Can I take screenshots, sir?
yeah, you can take.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Permission granted.
Okay,
So
so
we're
acceleration time
starting
graph
with
is there.
Tarun, sir.
Okay, acceleration time graph
Yes,
is there.
sir.
It's a straight line.
Wait,
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
it
always
is
straight
negative.
line?
No, see, we are considering it to be a straight line. It can be like this also, increasing also.
Decreasing
Acceleration
also.
time graph. It can be increasing also. It can be
Sir, is
decreasing
it
also.
really acceleration time?
But isn't isn't velocity time graph and
anything.
acceleration time graph when they both have a constant slope, they are the same, right? So because increase in acceleration is basically increase in velocity, right?
Yeah, but that is different. That's what I'm showing you. See, if my acceleration time graph is this, acceleration time graph is like this, constant. That means my velocity time graph will be like this. Velocity time graph will be like this. Like that is increasing linearly. Because if let us say that acceleration time graph is 2 meter per second square, that means in every 1 second, your velocity is increasing by 2 meter per second, right? So first second your velocity is 2, second your velocity is 4, third second your velocity is 6. So at every second your velocity is increasing. Like if every second your velocity is increasing, your displacement will be going in a parabolic way. That will be also not linear. That will be increasing in a parabolic manner. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, but
Okay.
acceleration time graph, when it has a constant slope, velocity time graph will also have a constant slope, right? So because
I'll tell
change
you.
in
I'll tell you.
acceleration is
First, you understood this.
yes, sir.
if acceleration time graph is a straight line, that means acceleration is also increasing at a constant rate. Like let us say that first second it was 2 meter per second square, second it is 4 meter per second square. So in that case, your velocity will change at a dual degree, that is parabolic. Okay, and your displacement time graph will be more parabolic, that is more steeper, like this.
So it
Understood?
goes in a curve.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See what
Sir,
happens.
but how
Like,
can it
when
go
you- when you
backside, sir? In a
I'll tell
curve,
you.
it goes like
1 degree graph is something like this. When your linear degree is there, y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, and when you have power 2, okay, degree 2, your graph goes like this. Degree 3, it becomes more steeper. It goes like this. Degree 4, go more steeper, like that it goes.
What if it's a degree in infinity?
We studied degree, na? Didn't we?
oh my god.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
We did.
yeah.
Degree of a
Emphasis,
polynomial.
no, emphasis.
Degree of a polynomial. Don't you know?
We did,
Yes,
sir.
emphasis. Oh wait, emphasis is different. Yeah, emphasis, sir.
So when someone will be giving you the acceleration time graph is this, so what will be the displacement time graph? Will you be able to sort it out,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write this down,
Yes,
draw
sir.
this out.
Everything.
See, I'm giving you very brief information. Okay, this is very important. I'm giving you all the information that are involved in solving a question. So these questions you'll be getting in the exams, even in this coaching institute, or you get for the schools or anywhere you go. If for Olympiads, if you go, you'll get these questions. So please understand it to the fullest. If you're not understanding, just ask me 4 times, 5 times. I'm not here to scold you.
Sure. So, if acceleration time graph is a straight line, the velocity will be a slope and the displacement will be a
Yeah.
curve.
Yeah.
So what if as like the acceleration is a slope, the velocity is a
Steeper
curve.
slopes will be formed. Steeper curves will be formed in the further cases.
Oh,
Sir,
so if
but in a
acceleration is also a
curve-
curve, velocity will be a steeper curve. Time will displacement will be an even steeper curve.
More steeper curve. Yeah.
Sir, but I don't understand, sir. When it's like a curve, it starts at a place and it goes back to the in a curve, right?
not like
How
that.
can it travel?
It doesn't goes back. It is not like this. It is not like this.
It's like a
That is
U.
not there.
It's like a U.
Then if it is continuously going at degree 3, it has to take a curve
Oh,
somewhere, right?
Goes to degree 3 at one point and then goes like
It goes like this. It's increasing at very short rate. Like what happens here? Now see, what I am showing you is that if we have a straight line for something, and let us say this is 1 second, this is 5 seconds. So to reach this place, you need 5 seconds. And if you are forming a curve like this, that means you reached 5 seconds, but you reached this place, this height, but in a lesser second than 5. Let us say this is 2. And if you draw more steeper curve, so you will reach that place in lesser time. Let us say 1 only. So this is what you mean by the steeper curves. Okay, it is not
Okay, sir.
forming U. It is not a semicircle.
So after a point, it just becomes straight.
Yeah, nearly straight.
Yes, sir.
See what happens. Even at that point, I can explain you one thing. If you
Sir, will
want to
it
understand
ever
this.
go along the y-axis?
I'll tell you. No. See here. If at this place I draw a tangent, that tangent will give me velocity. Tan theta, tangent, velocity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the steeper the angle, that will show me the how velocity is there. I told you if the angle is steeper, more will be the velocity.
Yes, sir.
I've given in my notes. Theta 2 greater
Yes,
than
sir.
theta 1, that will be more. Okay. So see here, this is theta. And at this point, I need to calculate the tangent. This is theta.
So draw
Theta
up
two,
a
theta
line straight from the 0, and then it will form a triangle.
See here. And at this point, I want to find an angle. This will be an angle. Theta 3. Which is greater? Theta 1, theta 2, or theta 3?
The
Theta 3, sir.
That means with increasing in time, your theta angle is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Getting
Yes,
it or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
theta angle increases means what? Your velocity, because slope of displacement time graph gives you velocity. So velocity is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Theta increasing, tan theta increasing means slope increasing means velocity increasing. So see, that's what it was there. In my previous case, velocity I'm showing it is increasing at a constant rate, and that is being shown
Yes,
with the
sir.
displacement time graph also. So do you understand
Yes,
this
sir.
concept or not?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a
Yes, sir.
concept beyond your grade, beyond your class. So you're understanding a good thing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You
they
can,
did the
you
same
can
thing in
not
Aha Guru, sir.
like, pardon?
Sir, I used to go to Aha Guru classes, so they did the same thing.
I don't want to know about your history, so you can continue.
Understood or not?
Sir.
So why?
I talked about myself, sir.
Understood or not this concept?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
done, sir.
Everyone? Written this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move on to the questions. Yeah, one more thing. Can anyone tell me that area of acceleration time graph shows you what?
T1 minus T2 into acceleration.
Sir, it will show you force, sir.
Velocity.
Sorry.
Area
Sorry.
will-
That's mass into acceleration.
T1, T2. So area will be
T1 minus T2 the whole into acceleration, which will give
acceleration
velocity.
into time is what? Velocity.
Yes, right.
And slope of acceleration time graph.
It's the same thing, sir. No, it's not. the same.
Sir, A2 minus A1 by T2 minus T1.
Jerk.
Jerk.
Oh.
Jerk.
What is that?
You will not get this in any book. Jerk.
What is it, sir?
You know
what
what
is
is
that?
When you travel through a bike and you cross any speed breaker, you get a jerk, na?
Yes.
Sudden
Huh?
change in acceleration.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
That is a
okay.
So
The
it's
English
change in
word and the physical
acceleration
word.
divided by time taken.
Retardation, not
Exactly, yeah.
acceleration. Oh, maybe anything.
Anything.
Understood?
So it's the change in acceleration divided by
Sir,
time taken.
sir. So
Acceleration is rate of
acceleration-
velocity and jerk is
Sir,
rate of acceleration.
So in an acceleration time graph, the acceleration like thing can go even backside, right, sir? Like it
Yeah.
that becomes
See.
retardation, right?
Yeah, retardation.
Yes.
Retardation is when it goes down. It doesn't go backwards and all.
No.
See,
It goes down, da.
It goes
Time
down.
doesn't go backwards.
Retardation is negative acceleration. Retardation is something like this. When
You
you
say
have
that
something as
time itself
negative,
will go backwards, sir.
negative acceleration.
Okay, I was like,
If you're considering this case like this, that means decreasing acceleration.
This is retardation.
Decreasing, but it is acceleration, not retardation.
Yes, sir.
It is decreasing acceleration. That means earlier you were accelerating at a higher rate. Now you have reduced your acceleration. That is there, but you have not
retardation,
applied the brakes. Now it is not. You have applied the brakes. Okay,
So if you
retardation
apply
is negative.
brake only, you will decrease the acceleration.
Leave it. Then
You stop at some point.
Yeah.
Oh,
Still
your
it is
voice is
accelerating.
lagging.
Still
for
it
you,
is
I think it's
accelerating. Still it is accelerating. That's what I mean to say here. You have applied the brakes, but still the vehicle is moving in the forward direction.
Oh,
Yes, sir,
okay.
but it is still retarding. So like the slope is coming down, but the body is moving forward. Yeah.
So we
Got it.
understand, so you can continue.
Sure.
So is there a
Yes, sir, yes,
jerk
sir, you can
time
continue,
graph,
sir.
See here. Like earlier you were having 10 meter per second square acceleration. Okay, and you were moving in the forward direction. Then you saw something in front and you started to apply brakes. So your acceleration first reduced, then you started like producing acceleration in the negative direction. Okay, and
Yes,
that
sir.
was retardation because your velocity got reduced to 0 due to that.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is baseline 0, x-axis, y-axis,
So,
negative
so
axis.
if
Can you
if
give
I'm
us two
running
questions?
and then someone come and kick me, am I still? It's still acceleration, sir.
Then somebody comes and kick you.
While I'm running, I didn't stop. Right,
Very
sir?
violent example, Nitish.
I am
So
not able
I
to
didn't
understand
stop
this
it, sir.
example even.
No, sir. I'm just asking, sir.
So these type of things
Or
happen
if
in a
I
football class, sir.
run, if I am running and someone come and hold me, but I'm still running in one place.
That means you're in some
Is
trouble.
that still acceleration?
See. The thing is that according to your principle, you are accelerating. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
the man behind you is making you retarding.
Yes, sir.
Let us
So
see one
he's
more
the
thing.
brake.
But
See,
but
kind
if
of,
your
kind of.
acceleration is
See. If your vehicle is moving in this direction, see, like let us say that this vehicle is moving in the forward direction in 10 meter per second square. Now it has moved in 5 meter per second square. Okay, so according to the previous, he was deaccelerated, but still he's accelerating in the same direction now.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if the acceleration has decreased, you can say that the brake has been applied.
Oh, okay.
Agree or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, or the friction is there. If you do not apply the brakes, the friction
Sir,
also
but,
causes the
like,
acceleration to increase.
let's say I am running and another guy comes and holds my hands and he's pulling towards his side. His acceleration is like 4 meters per second and my acceleration is like 5 meters per second. So
If your
I
initial
still
acceleration
accelerate
was 10,
forward.
if your initial acceleration was 10 and you
It's not how it
reduce to
works.
5, if you reduce to 5, okay, see, just one thing, deacceleration or braking means what? If your initial velocity is 10 meters per second and due to the negative acceleration your velocity reduced to 0, you stop. So that is
Or
called deacceleration.
lesser than 10.
Yeah, or lesser than 10. So that is deacceleration. Your velocity should reduce.
Sir,
So
but
the
parallelly
person who's
even
holding us.
wait. Parallelly the person who's holding my hand and who is accelerating 4 meters per second is also getting deaccelerated. Right, sir?
That is a deacceleration. That is a deacceleration. That's what I said now. When your acceleration is decreasing, like even in that case, that the brakes are applied. But that doesn't mean you're going to stop or you're just retarding, you're getting back. Okay, these are two different
Yeah.
things.
Yes, sir.
Let us solve some questions.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Which one should I give you?
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay. See, the graph is like this.
What?
This is velocity in meter per second, and this is time.
So it's a velocity time graph.
This is 5 seconds, and this is 13 seconds. This is 20. Okay. And what do you have to find here?
Displacement.
A car travels with uniform velocity of 20 meter per second
Yeah, but
for
what
5
is
seconds.
what is the velocity, sir?
Velocity is
Listen here,
20
these
meters
brakes
per
are applied.
second until 5 seconds.
Okay.
And sir, can you explain after cancer? And car is and can is letter. Okay, it's
A
car.
car.
Car is
Car trans with a car trans with trans means trans.
Where?
What is that?
That travels.
A car travels with 20 meter per second for 5 seconds. Then brakes
The
are
brakes
applied
are
and
applied
car
and
is
it
retarded. It comes to
it
rest
comes
in
to
8
a rest
seconds.
in 8 seconds. So you wrote 13, sir.
So after brakes are applied, it took 8 seconds. Nah.
13,
How? What kind of questions are you asking? Earlier, last class, you were the champion. Shall I
Yes, sir,
take the
I
badge?
was, but no, so that's max, sir.
Shall I take the
Max,
badge?
Like you wrote in the graph, it's shown in 13 seconds only. It came in rest, sir. But in the
5 plus 18, Raleigh. Oh, this guy. That's the overall
After
time
break-
taken after starting and ending.
okay. So from the start itself,
Okay,
it's
okay,
13
okay,
seconds.
okay.
From 5 to 13, it's 8 seconds, sir.
8
Yeah.
second is after he applied the brake. 8 second is after he applied the brake. 13 second is from the starting.
Okay. Wait,
See here. So what you have to find here according to this graph is that for the distance traveled in the first 5 seconds, then you have to find distance traveled between the brakes. This is the time between the brakes was applied, and then you have to find the acceleration during the first 5 seconds. First 5 seconds acceleration you have to find, and the last 8 seconds. This is the first 5 seconds, and this is the last 8 seconds. You have to find the acceleration during the first 5 seconds and the last 8 seconds.
First is find
Understood, everyone?
distance in
Try to
first
solve
5
this. Try to
seconds.
solve this with your prior knowledges. Whatever you have written in the notes, those are enough to solve this question. Try to solve this.
Sir, the distance in first 5 seconds is 100 meters, sir.
Please keep your answers with you. We'll take every answer
okay,
at the end.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you mean find distance, sir? Like, what distance? The distance
This
overall
paper.
traveled or the distance
in
traveled
first
in
5
only that
seconds.
5 seconds? Only the 5 seconds, sir.
In first 5
Yeah,
seconds.
distance is provided after brakes are applied, and the first one you have to find the distance in the first one.
So the distance of the first 5 seconds is 100 meters.
I
Wrong.
just like first, no, it
Please
is right.
keep it
Wrong.
with you. We'll take at the end.
Okay, I'm wrong. Wait.
I got the same one.
This is the acceleration time graph.
It's a velocity time graph.
No, it's a velocity time graph.
I don't know.
He's like, I know, I'm just kidding.
Who's that? Palkat, stop it.
I'm not. Hey, stop it. Hey, you're doing it and you're putting it on me.
Nitish is mining.
Actually,
IRL.
Whoever solves this
I
question will get the champion badge. Champion badge.
oh, you said that? Okay, I'll find it.
But all the 3 answers should be correct.
Oh, okay, then I won't get it.
Yes, sir.
And time allotted is just 2 minutes.
2 minutes, sir.
Not more than 2 minutes, because earlier you have taken 2 minutes while just talking.
Um, so how are we supposed to find the velocity if there is after the brakes are applied, sir?
Pardon?
The
Pardon?
distance
Pardon?
traveled, you mean? You mean the distance traveled?
No. To find the distance, I need the velocity. No.
That I will not tell you. I have all those things are
Sir,
there
I
in the
found the
notes.
first two.
I've just told
I
you.
found the first two.
I almost found the
Very
first
good.
two.
Solve all three. Solve all three. All of them are there in the notes only. I will not use any new formula in front of you.
Yes, sir.
I almost got the second one.
Sir, I'm done with 2.5. 2.5 by 3 of the
Won't
question.
tell it.
I only. It's not the answer.
1 more minute. I'll be waiting.
Almost done, sir.
I'm done with the second one. Appada. Third one.
Sir, I'm done. I don't know if it's. I don't know if it's correct, but I'm nearly done. I'm not sure about the last part. Last
Okay,
question.
if I have to divide it.
Okay. We're ending
Sir,
this.
sir,
I
sir,
think
give
I
us
also
one
got
more
the
minute, sir.
answer,
Give us
sir.
one more minute.
May I answer first?
Yeah, you should answer first.
Yes, Kongwe,
May I
first one.
Sir, first one is 100, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
unit.
Meters, sir.
No. Oh, yeah. First one. Okay. Second.
I got scared.
Sir, 80
Second.
meters, sir. 80 meters. 80 meters.
Third.
So acceleration during the first 5 seconds is 0.
Hmm.
And then the last 8 seconds, I think it's 20 by 8.
Okay.
It's 5 by 8 too, sir.
So-
5 by 2.
Okay.
Five,
Okay.
eight,
We'll
two.
see to it. Any more answers?
Which is 2.5.
Sir, give me one more
Sir,
minute.
for me, first and second are the same. Third one,
Okay.
acceleration during the first 5 seconds is 0. The last
Hmm.
8 seconds is
How much?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Sankalp.
Sir, please, sir, give me one more minute.
Sir, acceleration is minus 2.5, sir. Sorry, sir. I did plus 2.5. It's minus 2.5.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
it's
Arun,
retardation.
Okay.
Sir,
I don't
please
know
don't
the
do it, sir. Sir, 1 second, sir,
I
1 second,
don't
sir,
know
1 second.
the-
I
That's
almost got it,
called-
sir. I almost got it. I almost got it, sir.
This much time is not allotted in the exams now. If you say 1 second, 1 second,
They
1
give us
second at
2
the end to
hours,
the
sir.
examiner, will it consider you?
You will just I'll do. He will say, "I'll do you a favor. You can keep the paper."
Yeah, same answer. You'll get the
You
same
go home
answer.
and start crying.
You can take the paper with you home and answer
Five.
it very
You
convenient.
take how
Four.
much ever time you
No,
need.
no, 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 no.
2,
2,
1.
1.
Minus
Sir,
one.
sir,
Yes,
sir.
that's it.
Minus
That's
I'm
it.
getting this champion badge, sir. Please, sir. 1 second.
Every second,
time
you
out,
I
have
have
sir.
to get it, sir.
100.
I have to get
Sir,
it.
kick
I
him
have
out
to
of the
get it, sir.
meeting.
Please, sir.
Every second is
Sir, we're
1 year
already
out of
10
your
minutes
life.
late.
I don't care.
Every second is 1 year out of your life. You already lost 7 years.
No. Team.
Only have
Okay.
3 months left.
So we'll consider it now, all these answers. See here.
Sir, sir, sir,
So the
sir,
distance
sir.
traveled in the first.
Shush.
No, it's more than time. More than time.
Yes, sir, yes,
Find
sir,
the
I got it,
distance
sir.
traveled in
Sir,
first 5
I got
seconds.
Sir, I
Got
got
it, sir, he
100
got it.
meters. Sir, I got 100 meters.
second.
Same as Kongwell's answer, but with negative 2.5, sir.
Okay.
You
see,
also
see,
got
small
negative
answers.
2.5.
See here.
It's
Okay,
retarded,
so
So
it
the
didn't
first
go.
distance traveled in please listen here. Distance traveled is what? I told you find the area. Area. We'll give
Sir,
it area
T1
velocity
minus
time graph.
T2 into velocity.
Yeah, so 5
Or
minus
velocity.
0 into velocity is 20. So 5 minus 0 into 20, that will give you 100. All are correct.
Sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Second one, you have to find the distance traveled after the brakes are applied. So after brakes are applied, this is the portion after brakes are applied. So this is, you have to
Yes,
find
sir.
again area. So half into, area will be of triangle. Half into,
Sir.
this is 20 into 13 minus 8. Agree everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is base, this is height. Half into base into height. This is the area of this triangle. Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
that will give you 10. This is 5 into 10. This will be 50, not 80.
50
No,
or
80,
what?
80 won't be the answer. 80 won't be the answer. Oh, sorry. This is not 8 now. This is 5. 5.
Yes, sir. That's what I was wondering.
Don't tell me.
I
While I'm
just
putting the
don't know.
values.
30 minus
Okay,
5.
now
30
you see.
minus 5.
Half into 20 into 8. Now it is 80. Yeah, 80 meters. And the third one you have to find the acceleration during the first 5 seconds. First 5 second velocity time
It's a
graph is showing
straight
no
line,
slope.
sir. So it's
Zero
0,
slope.
sir.
Zero slope, zero acceleration. Here slope is there. So slope is how much this
Sir.
is inclined. So you have to find tan theta. This is the angle theta.
Yes,
See, you have to find the angle theta anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. But if you are unable to find this, you can find this smaller one clockwise and you just put a negative sign. Okay, so tan theta is what? It will be minus perpendicular by hypotenuse because we base minus perpendicular upon base because we are considering it clockwise, right? Because we don't have this
Yes,
value.
sir.
Agree everyone? So
Yes,
we
sir.
have to consider
So-
clockwise. So perpendicular is how much? Minus
Sir,
perpendicular
20,
is
sir.
20 and base is how much?
And the base
13
is
minus 5.
equal to 13 minus 5.
Minus 20 upon it minus 2.5 meter
Let's
per
go. I'm
second
the
square.
winner.
Let's go!
Champion.
Congress has correct answer and Sankalp is also correct. Nitish just missed by one question, but Congress
No,
solved it
sir.
earlier, so he gets the champion badge.
Yay.
I'm okay
So
with
write it down,
competing.
everyone.
I'm happy Sankalp didn't
Understood
get.
everyone or not? First, please
Yes,
tell me,
sir.
understood everyone or not? Okay, so write it down and we'll end the class here for today.
Sir, this is
Done, sir. I done this.
this man. He's a saddest, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.